Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows 11 is ready. Check 64-bit, set power to balanced or high performance, and create a restore point in case you revert. Once done, install Rainmeter's stable release and keep the installer open. Make sure to download at least one skin, packed to your Downloads folder, so you can load examples immediately. You're taking these actions to minimize permission issues and to have a working skin to tweak as you proceed. This reduces trial and error later. Once Rainmeter runs, open the manager and load a skin from your downloaded pack. You'll see modules appear immediately and you can drag them where you want. You should edit the skins. Ini with Notepad to change fonts, meters, and update equals rate so widgets use less CPU. After saving, right-click and refresh the skin to apply changes. Make sure to save a layout so your collection snaps back after reboot, and enable auto start so your setup loads automatically. You finish by fine-tuning performance and interactivity. Reduce update equals values for heavy meters, switch graphs to lower sample sizes, and test click-through so widgets don't block apps. If a skin overlaps or won't respond, change its Z order in the manager or enable click-through. If refresh fails, right-click and reload. One key troubleshooting tip. If Rainmeter breaks desktop behavior, unload recent skins or restore your system point. That rollback often fixes stubborn conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.